Good morning. All right, so everyone always asks me, what do you do with your hair? Oh my God, it's so pretty. And I'm like, you see this hair, child? No, but really though, so I'm gonna finally show you guys. And to be honest, it ain't much. This ain't about to be nothing special. But it's a start. So let's get started. Okay, so first off, let's get this hairband off. I decided to detangle it ahead of time, and then I just braided it in these two little supposed to be braids. I don't know how to braid. Not my own hair, at least. I just like to detangle it like a couple of days ahead, or even just the night before, just to make it kind of easier to get wash day going. So I got these two little braids. We're gonna take these out. So let's detangle this, and what I like to do is spray just a little bit of water on it, with sometimes just a little bit of product just to make it smoother, a little easier to comb out. In this case, it is some coconut whipped cream leave-in conditioner by Ring Pure. Got it from Amazon. Actually, I didn't get it. My fiance buys this and I just use it. I like to almost fully saturate it as much as I can before I get in the shower to wash my hair, because it just makes it easier. Am I the only one who feels like I have a good and a bad side? This is my not so good side, the left side, and I like to get this one done first. Just gives me a peace of mind. I don't know, it's like I sleep on this side and I just feel like it's a little thinner. I feel like even the curl pattern isn't, as popping as the other side. And you see how easy this is? How it's basically freaking just running right through my hair? That's the power of detangling before. So this cuts down my time by quite a lot. Put this up, and I'm gonna come back to this in a second. To again fully saturate it with water. Now look, do not see this and think it's this easy to detangle my hair, because it ain't. Like I said, if I had not already taken my hair down, brushed it out, moisturized it, put it in those two little braids, I would be here for a very long time struggling to get this comb through my hair. And you know something else? My crazy ass, I decide one day I'm gonna trim my own hair. So now this side is like half an inch shorter than this side. Oh well, shit happens. And to be real with you, I wear my hair like this sometimes. I straight up just comb it out, put a little product in it, a little water, a little razzle dazzle, you know what I mean. And I actually love my hair like this. I think I might like the big poof more than the curl sometimes. All right, so let me go check on these people on my roof real quick, and I'll be right back. Hello guys, I'm back. So I ended up just going straight to wash my hair. So now I'm done. And just to show you the products I used. So this is actually my first time trying all of these products, because I was using Shea Moisture, and for some reason it was just, my hair was still so dry. I was using this as my conditioner, and I think it's the Curl and Shine shampoo, and I don't like it. I don't like it anymore. It's not working for me anymore. So I used this for the first time. Cream of Nature, what is that? Argan oil. Cream of Nature. And then I also used, before that, I used a little bit of their other shampoo. And then I used the Cantu conditioner. All right, and now for my leave-in, I'm going to try a different Shea Moisture product. And hopefully this one isn't so drying. I really don't know what's up with that. Am I the only one? Do y'all have that problem using some of their products? Let me know. Drop a comment. Tell me if it's just me. But I gotta tell you, it feels good though. It doesn't feel as dry as it usually does using the my previous shampoo. Go ahead and take this down. See, like, this side is popping and this side is just not. Like, look at the front compared to these front curls. Like, can you see the difference? Am I tripping? I completely forgot that I got these other products, the Cantu Repair Leave-In and also their Define and Shine Custard. Completely forgot about these. And there you have it, fully moisturized, washed, conditioned, detangled. And now I'm gonna go sit under the dryer. We'll see the finished product. Be right back. Ta-da! Finished, completely finished look. Not bad. All right, so I am finally done. This is the finished product. It is fully dried. I picked it out a little bit, you know, not too much. I don't want to mess up my curls. You know, it ain't usually this tamed. I like my hair a little bit more floofy, but we'll get there. It's alright. You know, do my little makeup or whatever. Got my little black dress on, feeling myself. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my little hair routine. Like I said, ain't nothing special about it. This lasts me a couple days, a week. I'll be trying to stretch it out long as I can, you know. Speaking of stretch, let's get that lean check, baby. Got inches. With that, let me know if you like it, cause I am feeling it. Drop me a comment, tell me what you think. If you got any recommendations, any suggestions, any requests, I'm down for it all. I don't even really know what I'm doing, but it feels good, so I'm gonna keep doing it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna head out about my business, and y'all have a beautiful day and an even more beautiful hair day.